In this tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet a stylish sunglasses case that you can make in under 30 minutes. It's a perfect quick project for beginners. All you need to know is a double crochet stitch and how to start with a magic ring. And even if you don't know the stitches yet, don't worry, I'll guide you through everything step by step. What I love the most is that it works beautifully with the leftover yarn, making it not only practical, but also a great way to use up those small scraps you have in your stash. This crochet pouch is lightweight, easy to carry in your bag, and adds a handmade touch to your everyday accessories. And because it's so simple and quick, you can make several in different colors, or even give them to friends. So, grab your hook and let's get started. In this tutorial, I'm using about 30 grams of yarn. That's 100 meters for a 50-gram ball. And the fiber is 100% cotton, which gives the pouch a lovely texture. You will need 2 crochet hooks, a 5.5mm hook for the main part of the pouch, and a smaller 3mm hook you would like to crochet a cord for the strap or details. You will also need 1 magnetic snap. The size and shape are up to you. If you want to add a strap, you might also need a swivel clasp. And of course, don't forget a yarn needle for weaving in ends and secure the parts, plus a pair of scissors. As an optional touch, you can add a label to personalize your pouch, and a chain or crochet strap to complete the look. You can find everything you need in the description under the video. To keep your yarn ball from rolling away, simply put the working yarn from the center of the ball. That way, it will stay perfectly in place. To begin, make a magic ring. This will create a neat, adjustable center for your pouch. Now, chain 2. Next, work 12 double crochets directly into the magic ring. As you work, crochet over the yarn tail as well. It will help secure the ring later. Once you have 12 double crochets in total, gently pull the yarn tail to close the ring tightly. Gently pull the loop on your hook to make it slightly longer. Remove the hook from the loop. Find the top of the first double crochet you made at the beginning of the round. Insert your hook under both loops of that stitch, coming from the back of your work. Grab the extended loop and pull it through to the back. Tighten the working yarn slightly to adjust the tension. Now, remove the hook again. Insert it from front to back into the same stitch, the top of that first double crochet. Pull the working yarn forward, making a loop slightly taller than a regular double crochet. Hold this loop with your index finger and gently rotate it counterclockwise. Finally, insert your hook into the loop you pulled to the back earlier, yarn over, and complete the double crochet as usual. This creates a seamless join and gives you a neat and visible start for the next round. Work 1 double crochet into the same stitch where you made the invisible join. This counts as your first increase. Next, work 2 double crochets into each stitch round. This means that for every stitch from the previous round, you will make 2 double crochets. Continue this pattern all the way around until you reach the end of the round. At the end of round 2, you should have a total of 24 stitches. Now make an invisible join the same way as before, and immediately crochet the first double crochet of round 3. In round 3, start by working 2 double crochets into the next stitch. This counts as your first increase. Then repeat the following pattern around: 1 double crochet in the next stitch and 2 double crochets in the following stitch. Continue this pattern all the way around until you reach the end of the round. At the end of round 3, you should have a total of 36 stitches. Now make an invisible join the same way as before. For round 4, start by working 1 double crochet into the same stitch where you made the invisible join and the first double crochet. Next, work 1 double crochet in each of the following 2 stitches. Now repeat the following pattern all the way around: 2 double crochets in the next stitch, then 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Continue this pattern until you reach the end of the round. At the end of round 4, you should have a total of 48 stitches. Now make an invisible join the same way as before. 1 double crochet in the next stitch, then 2 double crochets in the following stitch. Now repeat this pattern all the way around. 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches and 2 double crochets in the next stitch. At the end of the round, work 2 double crochets in the second to last stitch and finish with 1 double crochet in the last stitch. Let's finish the round differently to create a clean and seamless edge. Leave a yarn tail and cut the yarn. Insert the needle into the top of the first actual double crochet you made at the beginning of the round. Then insert the needle into the center of the last stitch of the round, where the yarn tail comes out. Use the tail to attach the swivel clasp if you are adding one. To keep the magic ring from loosening, weave the yarn tail through the double crochets of the first round and secure it tightly. Now it's time to add the magnetic snap. You can attach it in any way that's comfortable for you. As an optional touch, you can add a label to personalize your pouch. If you would like, you can also crochet your own strap or cord. You will find strap ideas in the video linked at the top right corner of the screen and in the description below. Or you can simply use a ready-made chain or strap for quicker finish. And that's it, your crochet sunglasses case is now ready. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. It really helps me create more projects like this for you.